Hey everybody, long time no see. I hope you're doing well. Those of you who took the test, I hope you survived. It sounds like there were some glitches in certain places, but I'm really proud of you guys for persevering. Those of you who did not take the test and worked on the portfolios, your memes are keeping me alive. They're amazing. I'm going to compile a bunch of them to share with everyone so that everyone can see all of the fantasticness. But thank you so much for those. It was really, really delightful. So we have one more set of assignments. June 1st is our last official set of assignments. And on June 8th, we'll do some closeout reminders. But there will not be new assignments that week because I want to make sure you all have time for anything you need to make up for my class or any other classes. All right? So let's take a look at what you are up to this week of June 1st. As a reminder, I suggest you start on our Google Classroom page, going to classwork, and then looking on the left for the June 1st distance learning topic. You will see 3 items posted there. You will see assignment 2, assignment 1, and then the material that you need. And everyone's on the same page this week. Fantastic, we're back together. Google Classroom posts in the order that I post them, and I posted the material first. So it's actually at the bottom of the 6-1 week. But nonetheless, we've got a pretty focused week. We are working on our college entrance essays. Now, those of you who might not be sure if you're going directly to college, these essays are a fantastic way for you to think through what you might say about yourself at an interview for a job. So I consider it relevant work for all of us. Okay? So you have 2 items that have been posted there: our distance learning schedule and our college entrance essays. Let's take a look at our schedule. Just for the overview. And we're going to scroll down to June 1st. We are all together. This is the same material for everyone. So our focus is, how can I tell a story about myself for college admissions season or for job interviews? Your 2 assignments this week come from the same PowerPoint, and the assignments are also described in the PowerPoint as well as in this distance learning document and on Google Classroom. So I know that things are duplicated, but actually one of the sort of rules about good teaching online is that you duplicate information in lots of places. So those of you who are like, Dr. Ray already posted this somewhere else, there is a method to my madness. Okay? So assignment number 1 asks you to review the college entrance essay lesson, which will be the second video. This is just an overview of what you're up to. And then it asks you to engage with the assignment that is listed on slide 8. Assignment number 2 is still dealing with the same college entrance essay lesson, and the directions are on slide number 9. Okay? And I'm going to be going over all of this in the second video. Again, this is just a brief overview to situate everyone. Okay? So it's the same set of materials for both assignments. One thing I do want to note, and I will emphasize again when I go into details, is that you will have almost a complete week for this set of work. You'll see that I'm asking you to do a little bit, I think, more work than some of our other weeks. But more important, it's work that could take you a minute because you want to think through it and you want to do it well. So I don't want anyone pressed for time, and I want to be able to give you a few extra days. So both assignment number 1 and assignment number 2 will be due on June 7th. That's almost a full week, so that's Sunday night by 11:59. I assure you I'll be asleep by then, so if you have any issues, just do your best, turn it in, or send me an email, okay? But I want to make sure you have some extra time. June 8th and June 15th, just to give you a sense of what is coming down the pipeline, will involve some closeout activities, but no formal assignments. Okay, and we won't be doing, as far as I know, we won't be doing any kinds of final exam or anything like that. So you're pretty much home free after this week. Congratulations, guys. Alright, so this is when I'm going to close out on just the overview of the week, and I'm going to ask you to go ahead and check on over to the college entrance essays lesson with voiceover. Alright, that's going to walk you through the whole lesson and the details for assignment 1 and assignment 2. Alright, see you in a minute.